Okay guys, I'm gonna get ready for this one leg kick back. So one of the most important thing to bear in mind, because we often see in the gym and people have a tendency, and this is actually like a test when we see those kickbacks, is the lack of alignment. And this is when we can see straight away if somebody is externally rotating or internally rotating. And one of the is very often we see people have a tendency to go with the leg super high. So if we go with the leg super high, we mostly work in gluteus medius. Gluteus medius is already overloading for many individuals. So it's important to activate gluteus maximus. Why? Because the gluteus maximus is most neglected of the family of the glutes. So how do we engage the gluteus maximus? Quality, not quantity. So we're working with the leg totally extended, and we try to maintain that alignment. So imagine the kneecap is pointing down, and we go really lengthening that leg. The toe should be pointing backwards. And of course, the legs hips width apart, because what we see very often is if we're working with the leg too close or too wide, of course, the alignment is impossible. And we will be working with the wrong muscles if we do that. So legs hips width apart, so the hip straight down under the hip, so the knee under the hip. And yeah, we keeping the dorsal of the foot pointing down to the floor, so facing to the floor. And then we lengthen that leg, and then yep, we can peel off that leg or keep it low if that's okay. Breathing out and breathing in to come back. Simple like that. We work in the option number one. It's important to maintain the weight of the body in the center. The neutral spine is crucial. Then we start working in the right alignment. Okay? Now, to work with the TheraBand is a little bit more challenging. So we using the strap, we're wrapping the big ball of the foot, and we're pulling a little bit under the hand. Now exactly the same alignment, breathing in and breathing out, and then lengthening. But don't forget the alignment and breathing in to come back. Breathing out, keeping the pelvic floor engaged, keeping the belly button, trying to reach the lower back. Challenging enough. To add an extra challenge, we can also bring the opposite leg, the opposite arm to extend. As that leg extends, we extend in the opposite arm. That will add an extra challenge, breathing in and breathing out. And that we also start working with coordination, so putting the brain in function, even deeper engagement. Now, don't forget, we always working in about 10 reps. So we always breathing in to prepare, breathing out into the challenge, and we're taking about 4 seconds in the exception of the exercise and 4 seconds in the coming back. And we always breathing in to prepare and breathing out in the challenge and breathing in to coming back. We do that, so 10 reps, and don't forget, we always transition after each one of these exercises.